we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of CHERRYSUN 3-channel dash cam front and rear. That's include 4K Ultra HD recording. CHERRYSUN dash camera for cars can record video up to full UHD 4K on the front, 2K on the inside and 1080p on the rear. 3-channel videos are displayed on the 3-inch IPS Ultra HD screen, giving you live-time video feedback of 3 sides of your car, providing you with a clear view of the road and making it safer. 3-channel dash cam. 3-channel dash cam for all-round protection. Experience the security of dual recording with a triple-channel system. Offer 170 degrees front camera, 160 degrees cabin inside the camera, and 140 degrees rear camera with wide-angle camera. The dash cam is with extended views and less blind spots. Simultaneously captures video from the front, rear, and cabin of your car as vital evidence for dispute or accident. G-sensor dash camera comes with a free 64GB SD memory card. When the storage capacity on the memory card reaches its limit, the newly recorded recording will automatically overwrite the old recording. Triggered by the G-sensor, it can automatically detect sudden vibrations/collisions and lock the lens to prevent video from being overwritten, even during loop recording. Multifunctional design. Dash cam is a super capacitor car camera, loop recording, super night vision, parking modes, G-sensor, time-lapse video, emergency video lock. Supports SD card up to 128GB. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.